Hey everyone, check out this stunning SIMPLIHOME Corbin Side Table in antique gold. This industrial-style round accent table brings effortless charm to any living room, bedroom, or office. Crafted from premium solid metal, it features a sturdy base and a popular cylinder shape. Measuring 16 inches wide and 21 inches high, it arrives fully assembled for your convenience. Use it as a chic end table or a versatile accent piece anywhere in your home. Every detail is hand-finished with care to elevate your space instantly. Enjoy the perfect blend of quality and style with this gorgeous metallic table. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.